Hello, donc je vais enregistrer l'épisode 4 de mon côté, donc je publierai la vidéo avant d'aller me coucher, je pense. Je voulais jouer jusqu'à très tard, mais je suis pas sûre, on verra si ça fonctionne. En tout cas, ouais, j'ai voulu donc lancer un live comme je faisais jusque-là, mais j'ai plus de connexion. Je pense que mon frère, à mon avis, il télécharge quelque chose pendant qu'il se lave. Donc voilà. Donc désolée, je sais pas si la qualité va changer, peut-être. Mais j'espère que ce sera pas pourri ou autre. Je pense que ce sera peut-être mieux. Mais bon. D'ailleurs, désolée aussi parce que ma forme avec les règles et tout, je commence à paner. Je sens que mon énergie, elle est partie. Alors. Ah, Rasputin. Mais quoi, oublie, j'y vais. Elle est aigrie.
The last time I saw Sophie, I told her I'd support her. But I don't know what kind of support she needs right now.
Ah, du feu.
I might need an emergency keg if things with Sophie get too intense.
Oh, c'est joli avec le reflet et tout, j'adore.
Stop stalling, Max. Go talk to her.
Non, non, non. Oh, il est là, l'enfoiré. Il est toujours ici.
You could stare at the pretty art, or you could talk to the person you came here to see.
On attend Chloé.
I wonder if Sophie was lurking around the turtle last night. Sophie?
In the flesh.
Putting aside everything that just happened.
Elle me fait peur, sa fille. J'avoue, je sais pas, j'ai tellement plus confiance.
Oh. I do not deserve you, Max Caulfield.
Elle a l'air méchante, je sais pas pourquoi.
That's it. Well, don't just sit there and gawk. What did you want to talk to me about?
Why are you here? After all this time.
Oh, is that it? I don't know. Maybe I missed this place. Maybe I wanted to peep those famous leaves, or maybe I have some unfinished business.
Sophie.
Come on, Max. If you ask me basic-ass questions, you'll get basic-ass answers.
Whatever brought you back, I'm glad you're here. I've been worried about you.
Is that why you told my mom I was here? Either you're terrible at taking a hint, or you're just a terrible friend.
She wasn't supposed to say anything. She promised.
Aha! Option 3. A terrible judge of character. You really thought a promise from my mom meant anything? The sad truth is, I'm here for you. Don't give me that dewy-eyed look. I can't decide if it makes me want to kiss you or murder you.
Oula, il y a beaucoup de femmes à mes pieds là-dedans, je sais pas moi.
Then why have you been avoiding me all day? Not to mention ghosting me for the last year.
I left here believing I had a purpose. I was gonna find more people like us. But the further I got from Caledon, the more I started to feel... what's the word?
Unmoored?
Deranged. These intrusive thoughts started playing in my head. My emotions were all over the place, and the visions horrible. Waking dreams of my death, the storm. And I realized it wasn't being on the road or being away from Caledon. It wasn't my mother or Diamond or anyone else. It was you. You did something to me.
I saved you. Your powers were out of control, and I found a way to stop the storm and pull you out of there.
You talk like you understand what happened. Everyone here has forgotten what happened in the storm, but I'm still living it. Do you even know?
Your power went haywire. You broke into pieces. I had to pull you together.
And then what? Think. Where did you go in there?
Je me rappelle plus. J'ai complètement oublié le double explosion. Oh là là. Oh, ah bah c'est cool s'ils mettent des petits
It was
récaps.
all these motel rooms,
Oula, le graphisme,
like
ils
the
ont dû.
ones Chloe and I stayed in.
Have you considered why?
After Arcadia Bay, the road became my safe place. I guess being in another storm made my mind go back there.
Where did you go next?
I'm remembering. It was like the eye of the storm. Did I block this out? Was I affected by storm amnesia?
Did you and Moses come up with that? Cute.
The lighthouse. The overlook. I remember thinking, it's the same storm. It's all somehow connected. And then I saw you. You were dead on the ground. I thought I could use my power to bring you back. To merge the timelines.
But you saw her too, didn't you?
Chloe. She was surrounded by all the suffering and trauma from the storm. I thought
Dis-moi pas qu'à la fin on va se tuer ou.
if I could remove it, maybe she'd be okay. Maybe she and I could start over. All I needed to do was...
Flashbang. Ça, c'est les trucs pour m'empêcher de dormir, c'est bien.
The moment you saw her, she was all that mattered.
Oh là là, elle est
It's
jalouse.
not all about me.
Mais il s'est rien passé entre toi et moi. Déjà, tu te.
I'm sorry. I had no idea what I would find in there. I went into the storm to save you.
Of course you did. You're Max fucking Caulfield, Space-Time's golden girl. You'll always try to save everyone and everything you can. But fuck! How many times do you need the universe to tell you it's not interested? These things we have, they're just cruel jokes. Your powers destroyed a whole town. You really thought the same powers would bring it back without any issues?
Hmm.
I thought I was beginning to understand my powers. But you're right.
Je pense que je suis allergique à mes cheveux pour de vrai.
Focused on Moses and Chloe and on myself, not on all the damage I can do. Moses and I have been working for months to understand and control my powers. How can I
C'est
understand
vraiment
you?
très narratisé
I
là,
don't
hein, quand
trust
même.
my own mind.
Faut aimer Max et Chloé
There's
pour
a
jouer à
question worth
celui-là.
asking, and while you're answering that one, maybe throw in what you and Moses are up to. What are you collecting evidence for? What is that weird selfie photo of you, and why is my name on a whiteboard labeled suspects?
Pardon.
You snuck into
Oh.
Moses' office?
Don't deflect. You say that you're my friend, that you care about me? Prove it. Tell me what is going on.
J'ai trop peur, ça tombe en disant la vérité. Je vais créer l'incendie. Mais je préfère lui dire.
This campus is going to burn to the ground tomorrow, unless I stop it.
How do you... Oh, I see.
Then you can understand why I am using my powers and doing everything I can to figure out how it starts.
If you saw this campus burn down, then it means it was supposed to happen. Who are you to stop it?
What are you saying?
J'aime pas, elle est trop
I
méchante.
can't just let it burn.
Reality is cruel, but it's still reality.
On va devoir choisir entre sa fille et Chloé. Ça va être rapide, hein.
I saw a girl fall to her death in that fire. I didn't realize it until today, but now I know. It was Chloe.
I'm sorry, I didn't realize. I know you're doing what you think is right. I really hope it is this time.
Je sais pas, j'ai l'impression elle m'aime pas, genre.
Oh, look. It's my mom. See what damage you have wrought?
You should take it. You won't be able to avoid her forever.
Fine. Enjoy the lakeside vibes. I'll be back.
Envoyer un texto à Chloé. Ouais, un
Sophie seems
texto.
really messed up. After talking to her, I have even more questions than before. Sophie could be a while. When I'm ready, I should text Chloe and check in with her.
Rasputin. Oh. Oh, elle a aussi. Mais après, elle fume.
Sophie's been gone for 9 months. It must feel so surreal to be Sophie.
Aïe, aïe, aïe.
Even for Sophie, that's some heavy chain smoking. Whatever
Allez,
Chloe's doing
c'est
now,
parti.
I hope she's okay.
Allez, Chloé, on t'attend là.
I'll check in with Max, then see what we can dig up about the protests.
Mais non, j'ai reçu un message, c'est bon, on s'en fout.
Ooh, not sure I want to step into the middle of whatever
Oh,
this is.
oh, le bug de
New plan.
texture.
Find out more about the protests, then come back to Max.
Ok.
Moses mentioned that professor in
Donc c'est, on fait une coupure un peu avant.
Better look into it.
Là, j'ai trop de cheveux, je te jure. À chaque fois, il y en a un là, j'ai un poil qui me gratte le visage. Trop chiant. Un jour, je me ferai la boule à zéro là.
So, do you live here or what?
I'm trying to work.
Sorry. Didn't realize this bar became a co-working space overnight. Get back to your blockchain IPO, or whatever. I'm hearing about this protest against
Putain,
Caladon.
l'épisode est horrible. Je me gratte, je baille, je me gratte, je
I'm afraid
baille.
your
Je fais que
association
ça.
with a certain
Je suis
former colleague of
désolée.
mine means I will have to decline further conversation.
Really? Why?
Faut que j'arrête de penser au fait que ça me gratte, parce que plus j'y pense, plus ça me gratte, alors que je te jure que dans la vraie vie, je me gratte jamais. Que quand je suis en live.
This making out and doing drugs booth has a lot of funny buttons in it.
Je vais avoir une réaction chimique psychologique. Je regarde sur internet.
If I knew college involved dart gun battles, I might have applied myself more in high school. Hey, Amanda, right?
Oh, hey. It's quite a show you put on last night. Wish I could have sold tickets for it.
À plus.
If you're looking to book any shows this month, my band is headed east soon.
Oh, you're in a band.
Oh, I manage them. Drugstore Makeup. They're a mathcore synth pop art punk band.
Oh, sweet. So, like, the Minutemen mixed with a little Fall of Troy.
Yeah. Spot on.
Send me their stuff. I'll see if there's a date that works.
I'm sorry if all the stuff with Max is, I don't know, weird.
A little. But what isn't weird these days? I'm just glad she's okay. More than okay, actually. She's, like, glowing. You didn't knock her up, did you?
Really? I mean, it was kind of an intense night. And morning. I'm surprised.
You can go see for yourself. She was meeting someone. I think one of her students? I'm understaffed, so I'm not serving back there today.
Makes sense. Thanks.
Putain, les animations, en vrai, je l'ai pas dit, mais je fais encore parler de Max.
I'm sorry if all the stuff with Max.
More than a.
Ok. Je sais pas pourquoi je pouvais reparler d'elle. Mais les animations faciales et tout, j'adore.
Be here.
C'est totalement l'inverse de 1348. Ils avaient des animations abusées.
Maybe I can get someone
C'est une
else to
folie.
open up.
Il y a toujours ce gros harceleur là.
Not much of a stage, but I could
Lui,
see
il fait-
drugstore makeup blowing
Je
some
sais pas, il est
mountain
puni ou
state
quoi?
minds here.
I guess security is pretty lax around here.
Guess so.
What do you do when you're not getting in fights with strange women at bars?
I used to pull shifts at Kreller's before that closed. Now I'm trying to get a job at the timber mill where my dad worked.
What happened to him?
He skipped out on us when I was pretty young. Don't know where he went.
Sounds like an asshole. In my experience, no dad beats asshole dad every time.
Good to know.
So, what's this protest against Caladon all about?
You'll have to ask Joey. He's the man behind the plan.
But you're part of that whole group, right? There must be some reason.
Everyone's got their reasons. I don't expect we'll accomplish fuck all, but it beats sitting around and bitching about it.
I've been hearing about this anti-Caladon group. How do I get in?
You want to protest Caladon? Aren't you a student there?
I'm a prospective grad student, but I come from a town in Oregon that's a lot like Lakeport. I'm tired of seeing rich assholes bulldoze through small towns.
I feel that. Oh, there were some informational flyers at the last meeting here. Joey told us to destroy them after, but you never know.
I'll look around. Thanks. I've been hearing about this anti.
Pourquoi il y a les dernières lines, elles restent
See you later, Ren.
c'est au cas où j'ai pas bien écouté
No
ou
one's
alors c'est
talking.
juste un bug. En vrai.
If I can scrounge around the bar, maybe I can find something useful.
Looks complicated and full of tiny pieces. My old nerd friends Steph and Mikey would love it.
Imagine living in a place where you can just leave your coat somewhere and it's still there later. I'll need that password if I want to get into the forum.
Hey. I hear you're the guy to ask about the protest.
On a du monde. Ah, putain, moi je vais juste rejoindre Max.
I'm gonna need some intel before I can get this guy to talk to me.
J'ai fait le tour, c'est bon. Je peux plus lui parler là, si je peux encore. Je dois parler à eux là. Oh là là. Y a rien là, non.
This making out and doing drugs booth has a lot of funny buttons in it.
C'est une folie tout ce que je dois faire. Ah, pourri. Je dois hacker la matrice.
I'll need that password if I want to get into the forum.
Hey, oh.
Oh.
See you later.
No one's talking. If I can scrounge around the bar, maybe I can find something useful.
Bah, il y a l'ordinateur.
Her laptop and my truck would have a great time getting high together.
Et je fais le tour du bar. Bah écoute, je fais le tour du bar.
Hey. What's the deal with these?
Damn it. Hey, Joey! We gotta keep these firecrackers outside with the rest. Some of the Lakeport dudes are apparently planning a fireworks party this weekend. Doesn't matter to me as long as it's not in here where they could quite literally blow up in my face.
Sounds reasonable.
Faudrait les jeter. Allez hop, dans l'eau, plouf, y a plus rien.
Not such a bad guy without his jack-off buddies around.
J'ai déjà parlé de
No
tout
one's
ça là.
talking. If I can scrounge around the bar, maybe I can find something useful.
Add this to Amanda's laptop and my van for a full-on stickergasm.
Les AirPods, et on y est à la
Dear
mode.
listeners, there was a moment last night when I thought I might never get to speak to you again. Never share what I've discovered. When the countdown rang out at the Abraxas house and it became clear that the very building I was standing in would be demolished in a matter of seconds, only my quick wits, my poise under pressure, and my determination to share the truth kept me alive. And what have I discovered? That the administration is so hell-bent on destroying the Abraxas house that they're willing to break the law and put lives at risk. The Lakeport County Court has ordered that the Abraxas house cannot be demolished until a structural engineer examines the foundation. That inspection is scheduled for 2 days from now. So why were there explosives lining the walls of the basement this weekend? I have one theory. The Abraxas Alumni Network is vast and well-connected. The elites of business and politics. Could their fabled Hall of Secrets be filled with illicit blackmail material? blackmail that current and former members use for leverage against the administration, I'm not the only one with concerns. Students and faculty alike are wondering what sinister truths Abraxas might be hiding. So one must ask, why would President Teller coordinate an illegal fly-by-night demolition? Is the Abraxas Society's iron grip on the administration beginning to slip? Or is the administration so intent on covering up
parle
whatever
trop.
terrible skeletons lay
Là, on
buried
est tous
inside
en
the
train de
Abraxas
mourir.
Vault
Hein.
secrets? I will not rest until I have found the truth and reported it to you.
Oh là là. Oh là là. Ça, c'était galère. Hein. Ça, c'est dur d'écouter ce genre de discours avant d'aller dormir. Ah, c'est dur. Hein. J'ai vu des trucs de sorcellerie là, non? Papier.
I can't make out much, but I think this is the password I'm looking for. Got the
Resist.
password. Now time to take a look at that forum.
Putain, tout mon visage, tout mon corps me gratte. Comment je peux me connecter? Ah.
Do you know anything about this protest that people are planning online?
Elle a de la chance d'avoir retrouvé le mot de passe dans la poubelle quand même. Hein. C'est une folie.
I think I might have that password.
Le hasard, quoi.
For real? Let's take a look.
Je sais pas si je vais vraiment réussir à faire nuit blanche sur le jeu. Je ne suis pas quelqu'un qui tourne au café, donc c'est très dur.
And we're in.
Oula. C'est quoi ce bordel? Ah, c'est le jour de bah, c'est l'anniversaire de Anemone, le 22.
I'm guessing the mod is Joey. Nothing like a little Latin to class up your angry protest. Anyone willing to skip bowling league must be serious about combating institutional corruption. This dude is legit scary. And none of his buddies seem concerned at all. And the winner for most creative use of the $sign goes to Cardinal Sin. They're pretty paranoid about infiltrators. Nothing like a little Latin to class up your angry
These
protest.
fucking assholes.
Hmm.
How is any of this going to help? They're gonna set back everything we're doing to rebuild the town.
The protest hasn't happened yet. We could still keep it from getting out of hand.
You're right. I'll tell Noelle to get campus security ready.
Good plan. I'll see if I can get any more info out of Joey.
Allez,
See
c'est
you
bon.
later.
Je vais enfin pouvoir passer avec Max là ou... S'il vous plaît.
The forum is scary. But it gave me a lot of good
Non.
intel to use with the bartender.
Blablabla. Blablabla. Bonjour, j'ai fait tout le travail. Oula,
We'll go for tomorrow?
j'ai rien compris.
Excuse
On
me.
va voir, on va voir. On va voir ce que ça va donner.
I'm on the message board.
What's your tag?
We've been chatting for weeks. I'm Cardinal Sin.
I see. Maybe you
Oula,
are.
j'ai oublié ce que je viens de lire.
No way to know for sure, is there? Why weren't you at the last meeting?
It was bowling league. We had our match against those dillweeds from Brattleboro. Did you expect me to no-show?
I guess that checks out. Maybe you missed the meeting, but you must know the group motto from the message board. What is it?
Oula! C'est ça.
Sic Semper Tyrannis, which I believe translates to, how sick will it be when we squash these tyrants?
Close enough. All right, you're good. Hate to be so paranoid, but you know how it is. We muster here, noon tomorrow, and then head straight for the admin building. And prepare yourself. This reckoning has been a long time coming. Things could get heated.
That's what I'm banking on.
Ça sent pas bon du tout. On peut pas juste sortir avec Max.
Time to tell Max she's got a girl on the inside.
Youhou! Allez, c'est parti. Retrouver Max. Enfin! Ma vie d'amour! Oh là là.
Hello, ma'am.
Oh là
Can I tell
là.
you about our grilled cheese specials today?
Chloe!
Sacré Chloé.
Okay. You do not need to act this surprised every time we see each other.
Did you turn up anything about the protest?
Yeah, it's not good. There's a whole message board of angry locals descending on campus tomorrow. I don't think anyone can stop it.
At least now we can be prepared.
What about you? Did you crack the case with the Abraxholes?
No, I'm at a dead end. I know Sophie is hiding something in her bag, but she was too smart to leave it with me.
What's with all the sneaky stuff? Why don't I just run over there, grab what's in her bag, throw the bag in the water, and give you the stuff?
Throw her bag in the water?
Yoink.
Bitch, you did not just...
What the fuck? Here, take the mask before she comes back and beats my ass.
What the fuck? Mais qu'est-ce qu'elle vient de faire?
Sophie had an Abraxas mask in her bag. We have it now, thanks to you.
So many questions. But for now, I think we better run before she realizes she's missing it. And I have just the getaway.
Daughter! Ah non! Ça va être terrible. Je me sens pucelle. Oh wow, les plans sont beaux. Screen. Oh, j'ai cru que j'avais fait échappe. Oula, désolé, j'ai fait bugger mon jeu. C'est bon. On va arrêter de spammer. Partir ensemble.
And then did I say something badass? Like, it's time to fight fire with fire.
You did not. I thought about it, but decided it would be lame. But this is coming from me.
Je crois que mon jeu il s'est remis en petit. Voilà. En fait, c'est ma faute, c'est quand je fais des retours. Voilà, c'est mieux. Si je dois faire des photos. Oh. Je dois faire quoi là?
Did you and Moses figure out anything?
Hard to say. I got the feeling he couldn't decide if he was more interested in helping me or studying me.
What does he think is going on?
The word paradox was thrown around a lot. Also, anomaly.
Je suis foutu.
He said a lot of big words. They all basically amount to me being doomed.
That's not true. We're going to figure this out. I promise.
Oh, you're so damn sweet when you're earnestly reassuring me that everything isn't fucked. What happened between you and Sophie?
I told her about the fire. Her reaction was disturbing.
C'est sûr, c'est elle
She's
qui l'a
willing to
déclenché
name
avec son
her
groupe
what's
là.
happening to her and to you. And I think she's right. What's scary is that I didn't even know I was using my powers this time. And I still created a mess.
So, she blamed you for bringing her back to life, and then you agreed with her? That's such bullshit. Yes, your powers are weird, and sometimes freak me out too. But there isn't a single person in the world I would trust with them more than you.
I think I needed to hear that. Thank you.
Don't mention it. Okay, so Amanda.
Là, franchement, avec elle, je peux parler de tout et de rien. J'espère que le temps s'arrête.
Not drowning in shared baggage. I like her.
Well, good. I always thought you two would be friends.
Oh, so you were thinking of me the whole time you were with her.
Il y a même des musiques qui en parlent. Ouais, ouais.
But sure.
Oh. Profitez du calme. Est-ce que je peux encore parler ou ça va niquer mon truc? On va parler, on va encore parler.
So, I know President Teller was the one who ordered the demolition last night. And I'm pretty sure Reggie was involved somehow. He's the president of Abraxas.
Double presidential crime. 2 for the price of 1.
There's a secret occultist party at the Abraxas house tonight. Sophie must be going. That's why she had the mask.
And now we have it. Next stop, freaky college party.
What about the protesters? Could one of them really start the fire?
They're super pissed off and looking to make themselves heard. I know what resentful dickheads are capable of when they feel like they're not being heard. It isn't pretty.
At least we know about it now. That gives us a shot, right?
Rembobiner la réalité. C'est quoi ça?
I bet I loved being a part of it. Using your powers.
Oh.
I bet it felt exciting. Like being in on it again after all this time.
Of course you are. Ever since that day at 2L's. I think I would have gone insane a long time ago without you as my confidant.
But it's weird. That version of me that just fucked with your friend. What happened to her after you rewound?
Moses has his theories. I don't really understand them. I think reality is always shifting, but people are a constant. Like this canoe. It bobs back and forth in the lake, but we stay in place.
I hope you're right. To me, it feels more like we're going down Niagara Falls in a barrel.
C'est beau. J'ai rien à dire à part que c'est beau. J'espère que...
When I was living this weekend, the first time, I really thought my life was starting to make some sense. But it seems like chaos always finds me.
The only chaos you're dealing with is me. Everything was fine before I showed up. You have a whole new life here. I know I don't fit into it.
Hein,
No, that's not what I meant at all.
je suis en train de m'embrouiller avec moi-même.
Okay? So, try again. And if you rewind, I'll know.
I wouldn't dare.
Hmm.
I thought my life was starting to make sense, but I was wrong. I was focused on myself, and my career, and everything else. But there was a part of me, maybe the most important part, that was still lost. I don't really know how any of this shit works, but somehow, with all this crazy stuff happening,
Je suis trop concentrée là-dedans. Je suis choquée.
and I know it's because you needed me, but I think I needed you just as much. And I wasn't brave enough to realize it.
Ils sont trop mignons. Ah. La scène est belle, il y a des petits bugs, mais elle est trop belle la scène. Bien sûr. Ah, bien sûr que je vais l'embrasser. Moi, je vais prendre sa main et je vais l'embrasser. Ça va pas. Oh my god. F12, F12, F12. Oula.
Be careful!
C'est quoi cette merde? Pourquoi qu'est-ce qui s'est passé? Pourquoi il y a le bateau qui a tangué? J'ai pas compris ce qui s'est passé. Mais je veux l'embrasser, mon ref. Mais
Come on!
c'est quoi ce délire? Je peux pas l'embrasser? Non, embrassez-vous, genre. Bon, on va tenir sa main, je peux rien faire alors, je comprends pas. On va être coincé ici, hein, je vais encore réessayer, mais je comprends pas. Peut-être la troisième fois, ce sera la bonne. La personne qui pense. Est-ce que c'est un prank? J'en sais rien. Ah, ok. Le jeu a choisi pour moi. Je vais me tuer.
You ever feel like the universe is trying to fuck with you?
We have met before, right? I'm Chloe Price, the universe's crash test dummy.
Je suis désolée pour les screens encore. Ça va sûrement spam.
Max Caulfield. Did you try to kiss me?
What? How did you know?
Again, I do know you a little bit. So what happened?
I fell into the lake.
C'est trop drôle.
Wait,
Je l'adore.
how many times did you try?
Twice. Both were a disaster.
Il est mort!
It seemed like the perfect moment. But I guess not.
Oh non.
We'll just have to find the next perfect moment, won't we? After I'm finished laughing my ass off at the image of you going overboard.
Shut up! You fell too, you know.
Oh.
I I can't believe I never took a boat out here until now.
Just add it to the list of conveyances I've dragged.
Je sais pas, c'est dégoûté.
Let's hear the list.
Well, there was my truck, of course. That shopping cart in San Francisco. Then there was that Vespa we had in Salt Lake City.
I thought I was gonna go flying off the back
Elle est
so
devenue
many
blonde.
times.
We had that tandem
Elle a les cheveux
bicycle in
blonds. Ah, c'est bon.
Chicago. That was a disaster. And Izzy's friend's weed dealer's tough
Parce que
truck
Izzy,
from
en
Joe
plus,
Road in
elle faisait de la musique, je crois.
Honestly,
Donc c'est l'ex
how are
de
we still
Steph.
alive?
You mean,
Pour de vrai.
how are we so awesome?
Elles vont s'embrasser. Embrassez-vous. Embrassez-vous. Je ne quitterai pas cet endroit tant que vous ne vous êtes pas embrassés. En plus, ça me gratte de partout là. En plus, il y a d'auteurs. Non, mais je vais mourir. On va tous se tuer, je pense. Ma vidéo va jamais sortir avec tous les mots que je dis. Ça va se faire striker. Ce jeu fait du bien quand même. Hein. C'est un peu long, mais ça fait du bien. Il y a des scènes, mon Dieu. Ils auraient pu faire un court-métrage. En vrai, le jeu, il sert pas à grand-chose, je trouve, parce qu'il y a beaucoup de blabla. Mais ça fait trop du bien. En vrai, c'est quand même une bonne idée. Merde, j'ai passé.
The Maybon party is starting soon. We've got to get to the Abraxas house.
Though I can't tell if this is better to be left another lesson learned.
Oh là 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 là. C'est trop mignon, c'est trop mignon. Je vais mourir.
So, what's next? Change into black robes?
Black shirts, going by the old photo. Then we head over to Fremont Street.
And look for smoke.
On va aller faire des trucs de sorcière. On va fêter ma bonne, on va fêter l'anniversaire d'Anémone. Incroyable. C'est le Vortex Club. Je suis très
This is
fatiguée,
it. It could
mais
all
je
start
pourrais
tonight.
tout donner pour des
I know that
lesbiennes.
Reggie kid is up to
Faut
something.
que je tienne.
Think you can get me another Eyes Wide Shut mask so we can sleuth together?
Waouh, elle est trop belle avec son
Stay out of trouble.
pull. Oh là 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 là.
Between all the drinking and making out, someone must have taken their mask off.
Alors, normalement dans mon journal, je pense que j'ai dû écrire des trucs. Bon, ça, on s'en fout. Hmm. Oh là 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 là. Mes vies, je n'arrive plus à respirer. Ça part de ma bonne. Oh, il y a un rond dans mon coin là, à droite. Il y a un bug, je pense.
What's the point of a Mabon party? Half of these decorations are for Samhain anyway.
You haven't been inside yet, have you? Trust me, Mabon has its own special
Mabon, c'est
charm.
normalement la nuit la plus longue de l'année. Moi, je kiffe. Oh, c'est comme Lost
I should
Records.
explore the grounds and look for a mask. Mabon is about the cycle of death and
Ah non, il change de lumière.
so
C'est
this skull
génial.
collection is totally
C'est
fine.
exactement comme Lost Records. Ah, comme Anvil. Et non, c'était un prank. Voilà, on va prendre une photo. Et je prends un screen. Voilà.
Okay, I thought I'd hate the mask, but it feels kind of cozy. Is that weird?
Just keep it on in the bathroom. You don't want to accidentally look in the mirror.
Glad the freaky masks didn't scare you away.
Mais ils font pas peur. On dirait on est dans Squid Game.
Don't you dare start moving. If there isn't a mask out here, maybe there's one inside? Could this be the fire that starts everything? I could douse it right now.
Je pense pas que ce soit le feu. À mon avis, on est trop loin là. Joyeux anniversaire Anémone, souffle ta bougie, elle est là. Elle est grande. Hein. Ah là là. Attends, la tapisserie, c'est vrai, il y avait ça.
I should explore the grounds and look for a mask. Not their usual logo. This one's been doused in nightmare fuel.
Password?
Why do we need a password? Everyone here is in Abraxas.
Blood wine ceremony is for senior members only. So, password?
Apprendre le mot de passe, ça. Ma bonne.
Mabon?
Oh, nice try. Now shoot.
A password? Maybe someone around here knows.
Bon, on va l'enlever, sinon on va me laisser rentrer. Alors.
Even candles seem threatening right now. Loretta?
Oh, hey Max. Thought that was you.
How'd you recognize me?
You're standing like a teacher who snuck into a party. Relax your shoulders a bit.
I'm gonna check out the house. Maybe you should do another round out here before people get too drunk.
I've never had a partner before. It's like Woodward and Bernstein. I call Woodward.
You got it.
We're gonna crack this open tonight. I know it.
Hope so. Be careful.
midnight is hours from now. I might head out before the ritual.
Don't let Reggie see you sneak off. He's been in a mood all day.
If anyone gets on this thing, I'm leaving.
Ah, elle me fait trop rire.
Whoa. Where did they even find this? Don't you dare start moving.
So the door password is whatever monster is on the tapestry? That's dumb.
Yeah, I think Reggie was trying to draw Abraxas and fucked it up.
And we're stuck out here because we didn't major in...
Due to my newfound knowledge of feathered reptiles, I can conclusively state that this is a... Shit. Which one was it?
C'était lequel? Ouais, je me souviens plus. Redonnez-moi le livre. Je ne sais pas. On va aller voir. Là. Peut-être que s'il me fait des propositions, je retrouverai.
Password?
Cocatrix. Basilic. Ça doit pas être ça.
Cockatrice?
Nope.
Ouais, bah putain,
fun
c'était l'autre.
Dang it.
Basilisk.
Kate Michelson. Je me demande s'ils se sont communiqués des trucs entre deux.
Blend in and find that mask for Chloe. I thought Abraxas was mostly about parties and ambiance, but there are rituals involved too. If I really wanted to freak these kids out, I'd play something from Somebody Suggested Brain Bucket 3. The kids are all right. Maybe Mr. Cool here would like a drink. And dare I suggest, he thinks he's the coolest guy here, but he's trying too hard. What do you think they told the carver? Please turn this New England mansion into a vampire castle.
Un string, what the fuck?
There's a label on it. Presidential thong? I'm not sure I want to know what this was used for. At least it's not a dance party. My undercover skills only go so far. Reggie doesn't seem super comfortable with leadership, but he's definitely trying his best.
Ah, lui il dort. Lui aussi, mais il dort dessus. Et eux, ils vont sûrement me voir en train de prendre le masque. Au pire, c'est pas grave, on rewindera.
Okay, you're too drunk to have something over your face right now. This isn't theft, it's a safety issue.
Mais les gens, ils m'ont rien dit là.
She's in the trees. Blood wine?
What's in it?
What the hell? Max? Is that you? Oh my god, my teacher's here? I do not need this right now.
En vrai, est-ce que je peux le refaire? Moi, je veux bien goûter.
Oh, thank God. It's not blood.
C'est fou.
Reggie has been dodging me for days. Time to get him to talk.
Greg, right? Congrats on becoming a senior member. Oh, man. I remember my first Maybon party. I was a nervous wreck. I thought we were actually gonna sacrifice the kid. Say what you will about Abraxas, we sure know how to set a mood. Not quite as good at leaving behind clear directions, but... Wait. Greg said he couldn't come because his girlfriend thought this was an orgy. Who are you? What the hell? Max?
Encore? Mais merde.
Oh my god, my teacher's here. I do not need this right now.
I'll have to...
On va revenir sur la conversation.
I'll have to keep my mouth shut if I want Reggie to...
Ouais, il a rien dit, frère. On va essayer.
Oh, sorry, Alana. I didn't even recognize you. Actually, you've been a member here a while, right? I can't remember. When Vin was president, he'd recite the Aleister Crowley poem at Maybon wearing... What would he wear for that? Oh, that's right. No wonder I fell for that guy. Well, maybe that's a tradition that should end with Vin. Maybe that's all Abraxas is. Just a bunch of bullshit traditions that no one will miss. This stuff with the Hall of Secrets is silly. Right? We wouldn't ruin Abraxas if I destroyed... Sorry for venting like that. You're a very good listener. See you around.
Wow, Reggie. I think it's time to level with him and get the full story.
Oh là là.
Reggie, it's Max.
Max? What the hell?
I know Abraxas is just a club, but I also know that it matters to you. If Owen wants you to destroy something important, you need to...
It's not Owen. He's... It's... Owen's been getting pushed around by the board. Some of them are former Abraxas. In return for their support, they told him to destroy the innermost secret.
The what?
The innermost secret. Located in the Hall of Secrets. In the basement. It's the most sacred place in Abraxas. Only the president is allowed inside. Owen needs the board to approve his Caledon 2.0 plans. So he told me to find the innermost secret and destroy it.
Commence à avoir faim.
And you're trying to decide if
Il est
you
1h du
No,
matin.
I'll do it. Anything to get him off my back. But I can't get inside. There's a code to get in, and it's nonsense. Shit. Did I leave my notes down there? Oh, I've said way too much. Anybody could be listening. Anybody could be behind those masks. I can't know you're here. In fact, you're not here.
Understood. It's all gonna be okay, Reggie.
Mm-hmm.
Il devrait rewind, non?
Wow, Reggie. That was way more than I expected. I've got to get this information and this mask back to Chloe.
Vas-y, je laisse comme ça.
Hunting for a secret room in a spooky house? Chloe's gonna love this.
C'est cool qu'il y a un peu plus de de scène.
I've been to plenty of bonfires, and a handful of pagan parties, thank you, Portland. But a secret society pagan bonfire, that's a new one for me. It's Vermont air, so fucking peaceful. Peace and calm. The kind of calm that makes you think about the endless void of non-existence.
Here.
Jesus!
Sorry. I think you should check out the basement. The door password is basilisk. I'll do another swoop and sneak. I'll do another sweep and try to snoop.
What's in the basement?
Hall of Secrets. Owen told Reggie to destroy whatever's inside. He's looking for a way in. We have to get there first.
We know the fire started here. But was it to destroy the house or the thing inside? So, split up? Meet at the bonfire when we know more?
On s'appelle Life is Strange, c'est trop
I
bien.
just want you to know. I'm so excited to make these memories with you.
Oh là là, on a un Life is Strange bien queer. C'est trop mignon.
The Hall of Secrets. Do Abraxans really say this shit with a straight face? Let's see what these kids are hiding down here.
Ok. Alors. Je vais faire une pause parce que j'ai très faim. Donc je vais m'arrêter là pour cet épisode. Je vais quitter vite fait le jeu histoire de refroidir un peu mon PC et faire ma pause tranquille. Et voilà, je vais publier la vidéo aussi sur YouTube en attendant. Voilà. Ça va être cool. Je commence à être à fond dedans là, j'ai trop hâte de voir la suite. Hop là, allez, je coupe. Bisous, merci encore d'avoir regardé l'épisode.